My only worry, well, there's a lot of worries with you, but the one that really affects me is you got to really have your game plan for your luck, your absolute luck. We can't go up there and say, oh, maybe we do this, maybe we do that, because for price points and everything else, I have to actually know, and scheduling, I got to know exactly what we're doing.
Okay.
Like how detailed this thing's going to
So
be.
let's
Your whole look. Your, like I said, did you blow up the pictures I told you to? No. Did you lay them up there like I asked you to? No.
It's all right here.
Really?
I'm pointing to my head.
That changes all the time.
Okay, hey everybody. I have Kevin here who did the studio. We're going to take you on a tour of the studio. He's going to tell you what he did, and I don't know, we're just going to talk about it. We're going to see the new studio. Okay, you ready? Let's go in. All right, so first, come this way. And I'm going to show the video of the old studio too, so you can compare. I have that. Okay, so here you can see the plain room. There's Kevin removing the molding. The fireplace is in place so that they can put the flooring in around it. It still has the carpeting there. There's no brick, no wainscoting, nothing on the walls yet. If you turn around, Melissa's behind the camera. If she's making, she's making you dizzy. Okay, so in this entryway, and show the lights too. I love my little glam lights. Okay. This was all just plain. There was no wainscoting, no paint. I love how the light bounces off that paint too.
Yeah, it makes the wallpaper look textured.
Yeah, so that's the entryway. We thought that would be really nice.
Okay, yeah, certainly.
And then as you come into the main space, feel free to jump in, Kevin.
Yeah, I'm trying
No, I just know when I did this trim work, I wanted to match some stuff in the main line that I've done before in the Villanova area and stuff like that. So this is the old school cottage kind of vibe. Well, you do a lot of foyers. A lot of this is the same characters that we have for that.
And Kevin played a huge role in the design process because he came up with a lot of ideas, and I was like, yeah, I love it. Let's run with it. The one thing he didn't play a role in was the choice of wallpaper.
Nor does he want to take credit for it.
I chose that, and he was like, really? But
it worked out. It turned out well.
he likes it.
I made it work.
Okay.
That's right.
So I'm going to scan, I guess.
Yeah, so I have different areas you see in my different videos. So Melissa's scanning the main fireplace, and I have the two blue chairs here.
Yeah, I'll back up so that we can see those. I hope.
Yeah, when somebody's here, I'll usually sit in these chairs. Plus, I really like sitting in front of the fireplace.
Yeah, they have a certain anti-nausea medicine that you can take before you watch this video. So just
Melissa sells
we'll leave the link down below.
So, and the fireplace I can run by remote control because I'm not the best at building fires, as everybody knows. So, you want to talk a little about the fireplace?
No, it's a brick that we brought in. Like I said before, some of the places we've done before. That's why I did the detail cove in here, chamfered edges inside here, just to make it more like it's been here forever kind of vibe. With the veneer brick, but it is real brick that we're cut down. We put in there.
Yeah, and it's on the floor too. I don't know if you can get that, Melissa. They framed out the floor and brought that out, which is really nice.
Yeah, it is really nice, and it does seem like it's been here.
And I think I'm going to change this picture that's on the mantle. I just haven't found a piece of art yet that I like, but we're working on it.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
And then the basic, like we wanted to tie that brick in. Wow, you turned that quick.
I can.
But I wanted to tie that brick in over here, so we made it almost look like if when we do some properties, when we pull off the plaster, this is what's exposed. So we kind of made that look the same way up along here. It's just give it more detail.
Yeah.
Yeah, with the
tie
ones
everything
getting
in.
below it. I really like that.
I do too, and it actually like opened up the space. I noticed now with the brick and everything and the wainscoting, it actually looks like a bigger space than before. There's just something about it that makes it more spacious.
It turned out really well.
And in this part over here, I haven't used this part to film yet or anything, but I found this antique painting couch. I was so excited about it, and Kevin's laughing at me. Do you not like this?
I think it's great.
Go ahead, faint.
After a hard day's work,
Yep.
spending time with the Pollock girls always drains you.
Yeah, trust me.
Yes, So I don't know exactly what I'm using this space for yet, but I liked it, so I got it.
Very cool.
Yeah.
And then what are we doing here with this green paint?
Oh,
on the
well,
wall?
so first show over there. So over
Okay.
here is where you see me standing behind the counter with the mannequins. Okay, so before we continue, I just wanted to show you the counter that I got. We went to a nearby Amish wood mill and we found this. It's actually 3 trunks that had grown together, and then they filled it with a clear epoxy, just where the holes were and all. It's really beautiful. You see the edge there. And when we saw it at the shop, it was actually a coffee table, but we asked them to make taller legs so I could use it at counter height. Then they also made us these shelves to go with it, which I thought came out really nice. Just added a nice touch. And I noticed in my videos, the green does not look good with anything. With any clothes I wear, with my face, and I think it throws off the colors of the wigs. So we're gonna repaint this. I think we're gonna do just like a
neutral,
creamy.
like a cotton white, a little off compared to this.
yeah, I think that'll be
Warm it
better.
up, keep it more neutral.
Okay.
Right.
Will it be a separation from the ceiling, or will the
It'll still be
creamy
just
white like
here.
we?
Now you'll see this is ceiling white, and this is be cream. You'll be able to pick up on it. It'll be a lot softer. Not
Okay.
so green.
Not so green. Okay. Good to
Yeah, which I think will be better for
Absolutely.
showing the wigs and all. Every time I look at a video that I filmed back here, I'm like, ugh, I don't like the green. And Mark, your husband, from the start said, not sure about the green.
Yeah, he's got good taste.
Well,
Obviously.
See, we Pollock girls, we have to give ourselves compliments. So what else? Is there anything else that we should tell everybody about the studio?
No, just you're gonna at some point obviously have another something here.
Right. Oh, I might have a desk here.
Yeah, that way it's just 2 different ideas of different areas we can film in and stuff like
Yeah.
that.
Right, so if I'm just doing a video where I'm just talking rather than modeling wigs, I can sit behind my desk there, and I really love the brick alcove.
Your ideas are like,
I know, I came up with all of this, and
Yeah.
Kevin
Yeah.
learned a lot from me during this project.
He always does.
Oh, I learned
He
a
likes to, as he says, I'm going to sit at the foot of the master. Is
That's
what,
right,
He comes
that's
over,
what he says, that's right.
that's true.
No, seriously, this was great. He came up with pretty much everything in here,
Except the wallpaper.
except the wallpaper, and I'm thrilled with
So
it.
noted.
Before this, I didn't want to come up here and work. It's at the end of the house, and I didn't like the room, and now I love it here.
Well, that's what you wanted. You said you wanted something like that cottagey feeling, that classic feeling, and you know, we want to make sure you came up here and could do whatever you want to be up here. You
Right,
know,
exactly. I actually don't want to come out of here.
Yeah. And it seems like a studio now and not a bedroom.
Right, yeah.
Yeah. No, really nice.
Yeah, so thank you, Kevin.
Oh, you're welcome.
Yeah. Aww.